Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video, I'm discussing the solution of this question. Finnish furniture manufactures tables in facilities located in 3 cities, Reno, Denver, and Pittsburgh. The tables are then shipped to 3 retail stores located in Phoenix, Cleveland, and Chicago. Management wishes to develop a distribution schedule that will meet stores' demands at the lowest possible cost. So here, in this paragraph, our goal is to provide the minimization of the cost and the shipping cost per unit from each of the sources to each of the destination is shown in the following table. So we have given a table where from and to is a column. We have 3 cities, Reno, Denver, and Pittsburgh. Then we have again 3 cities where we have the cost. They are provided in 3 columns. So this table serves as the constraints for each one. And the available suppliers are 120 units from Reno, 200 from Denver, and 160 from Pittsburgh. And this whole paragraph is also serving as the constraints. And now, how many units should be shipped from each manufacturing facility to each of the retail stores if cost is to be minimized? What is the total cost? So here, to provide the units and it should be in the minimization. So what is the total cost? So I have already solved this question using, let's say, solver and formulas. So here, this is my formulation sheet. I've used RPH, RCL, RCH, DPH, DCL, DCH, PPH, PCL, and PCH. This one represents are the variables for each of the cities, and this is the minimization cost. Then these all are our constraints. Now, this sheet, I used Excel solver, which is an answer report, and here our final value is 5700. I set up the Excel solver already. And this one is our sensitivity report for each of the variables, and this one is the constraints. Then this sheet represents the limits report, where we have the variable name and then their value. Then the objective results for each variable and objective. And this one is finally our solution, which is this one is our decision variables. Then this one is our constraints. So in all, we have 6 constraints: C4, C5, and then C6. So these all are constraints. Then our goal is to minimize the profit. This one is our total profit. So this one is the solution for this question. So I hope you like this video. And for Excel file, you can directly reach me out over my email address and my WhatsApp number from the description part of this video. And if you have any more questions to be solved through me, you can reach me out for them too. So I hope you like this video, and do subscribe me for another videos for future updates as well. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.